check this out. If you are creating a constructor, what is it? Constructor is a special like method. Okay, it's a special type of method. Okay, what does that mean? Constructor is a special type of method where the method name has to be, okay, must be the same name as class name. No return type at all. Can only be okay. So help me turn this method that you have here, help me make this into a constructor following these rules that I just put up. Help me do that. How do I do it?
Public static void X-ray.
No. Public void, no return type. So public X-ray.
Okay, let's follow this rule number 1. What do I have to do?
Must be the same as class name. So it should be X-ray.
What do I change?
The method name.
So you want me to take out test?
Yes.
Okay, put what?
X-ray.
Can I do a lowercase?
No, it should be same as the class.
Very good. Exactly same. Okay. Then what?
So no return type. So it should not be void.
Okay. I have to completely take it out. I cannot put it. Completely take it out. Okay. What's the third one?
It should be non-static. So the static word should not be there.
Very good. This right here is a what?
Constructor.
Very good. Okay. So if somebody showed you something like this, I understand this is uppercase. I understand, because usually method should not be uppercase, right? It should not be. I understand that. But if they showed you this, which one is the constructor, which one is the method?
First one, X-ray, public X-ray is constructor and public X-ray void is the method.
Why is this the method? Why? What gave it away as a method?
It has a return type.
Very good. It has a return type. Okay. Because we know this 3 things has to be fulfilled in order for a method to be a constructor. Okay. Now you can already see, if you hover over it, look, if you hover over it, it will tell you this method has a what? Constructor name. Okay. So he's thinking, look at this, he's giving you a hint. Do you want this to be a constructor? So if you click on it, check this out. If you click on it, it takes out the word static. Do you see that? So it's saying that, oh, let me take that out. And now you have a constructor. Oh, by the way, why is it erroring out now? How come it's erroring out?
You have 2 in same name. You can only have 1.
You have 2 constructor with the same name. You can have only 1. Yesterday, though, we learned it is possible to have multiple of them with the same name as long as we what?
Different arguments.
Good. Help me make it.
So you put arguments in.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be anything specific.
You can just write string A in one of them.
So you're telling me cut line number 14 and just put string A. Very good. You just made 2 constructor. Okay? You just made 2 constructor for the class X-ray. One is called the default constructor that does not take any argument. Then the other one is called parameterized constructor because it takes a parameter, meaning it takes an argument. So interview question. what is a constructor? Constructor, you can think of it as like a special type of method with these three properties. Property number one, it has to be the exact same name as the class. It cannot have return type, and it can only be non-static. Okay, it has to be non-static. It is possible, now follow-up question, is it possible to have multiple constructor for a class? Yes, it is possible to have a multiple constructor for a class, just like the concept of polymorphism, as long as you can differentiate them with the argument. Questions from your side? Any questions?